Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May the 5th, 2022. All block holders need to be worried about this particular price level. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I'm going to answer that question for you all today without you being confused, without you being nervous, without you being afraid. I got your back. I'm going to show you all basically by looking at the price chart what is anticipated to go on so that you and I can win amongst our competition. Everyone else who participates in these stocks, I want you all to understand that that is your competition. They are literally playing against you. There are no friends here in the market. You need to consider everybody else as a villain, as someone that is trying to take your money, and they need to view you the same way as somebody else that's trying to take their money. This is how this game is meant to be played. So let's keep it real. And one thing that I've come to notice is that we have the competitive advantage, even amongst all the most powerful hedge funds, banking institutions, the big pensions. We have one thing to our benefit, and that is we have the ability to predict, basically by looking at what they're doing, to see where they're trying to go. I'm going to show you all that today. So hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I am here to assist the community into knowing what is the probabilistic chances of where price is going to go. For instance, I did a video in Block not that long ago. Here it is right here. April the 19th, 2022. I was telling you all then to be prepared to see Block go down, and needless to say, it did. Look at that. Fantastic. Because I actually put it to a point to where the ultimate price target for us to see price go in Block was around $94. And just yesterday, the market found buyers at that particular price level. Isn't that fantastic? But yet still you have people out here telling that you cannot do this. I've been doing this for a while, and I'm just continuing to show you all proof that you too can do the same thing. All you have to do is learn how to read price charts. It's a language. This price chart that you're looking at right now, it's a language. Every price bar, every volume bar you see is actually everyone's intentions, collective intentions, as to whether or not they was mostly buying or selling. Why do I need anything else if I can tell what you're trying to do with your own money? So congratulations, 24.83% right there. All right, done. Now, the title of the video reads, all block holders need to be concerned with this thing. And I'm zooming out the chart because I want you all to see it. And literally, this price level right here, every block holder needs to be concerned about, because this is where the battle is being waged between buyers and sellers. Okay, right here, it goes all the way back to 2018. So we haven't seen price in block trade around $96 since 2018. So everybody who bought block in 2018 now maybe has inched out a little bit more profitability because the market is trading around 106. But man, look at how much profitability you let go, all because you got people telling you to hold to these stocks for 5 years. So if you bought the stock in block in 2018, that means that you will have to hold on to the stock till 2023 for 5 years, right? 5 years. And in less than 5 years, I want you all to see that the market in block went all the way up 189% in less than 5 years. Why not take the profitability out that move? Why not? Best believe that the hedge funds, the institutions, those who are in this particular market making money, they did. But you got these YouTubers out here telling you hold on to 2023, and now your profitability has dwindled to only 7%, all because they want you to hold the stock for the long term. That is one of the worst things that people can give you in terms of information, because every market is not going to go emphatically up. No, it's not. So our attention right now in block needs to be right here at $94. And then the second level, we need to see the market in block continue to hold this overall trend. So can we still see price in block fall? Most definitely. Most Definitely. So don't get it twisted that the market is currently a buy in block. This is the overall long-term trend. We've already confirmed that back in 2020. So we can still see price in block fall another 38%. This is the prime area you want to come in and buy the market in block. Right around here. Anywhere alongside this ascending line as time goes on. That is it. That's the ultimate prime bullseye that you want to come in and buy the stock. Now, are there places to where you can come in and nibble a little bit and buy it? Yeah, you can. And this is that first area, $94. Okay. So I'm not going to continue to hold this ascending line because we're nowhere near that trend just yet. But I just wanted to show it to you. Okay. Now let's go ahead and look at block on the monthly time frame, because I want to show you all that it may not be over yet. Yeah, the move to the downside, it may not be over. Look at what happened last month. Look at that. The market in block could not even trade above $150. We saw price close all the way down here to 98, 100. It's not over. The market strength in block is not here yet. Look at this on the 5 weeks. 3 weeks. 2 weeks. Okay. Now, I want to show you here on the 2 weeks time frame that I am seeing buying come in the market. Okay. Buyers are here. This is where they're buying up the stock. So seeing that price is around 106 in block. Yeah, nibble here. The market is actually telling us that they're buying the stock there. Okay. Especially as we see the volume. Pay attention to the volume because it lets us know what the overall market is doing. And here, right here where I got this horizontal line, it's where the market is buying. That is where all block holders need to be paying attention, because if we see the market break that level, then guess what? We're coming down to 80, 65, 60, all the way back down to the overall trend. So let's look at this on a 3 month basis. Okay. We got 1 month and 26 days left on this current 3 monthly price bar. And look at that. We're still seeing the weakness here. Okay. Look at this. 6 months. That doesn't look bullish at all now, does it? Not yet, it doesn't. So for those who are itching to come in and buy this particular stock, the market literally is telling us that you may want to hold on for a little bit. You may want to wait. Okay. Now check this out. Let me break this down to the daily, because we are actually seeing some strength coming to the market in square or block. We got earnings today, ending of the trading of the market. So yeah, we're going to get some volatility. Let's not get it twisted. That is why the market here in block is trading where the buyers were at. Look what happened the last time we had earnings. The market went up, what, 34.25%. I think the market's trying to anticipate the same thing now, because we are now right smack dab to where we were the last earnings. Like, don't get it. Like, this is not hard. This is not confusing. What's the odds of us coming right back to where we were on the last earnings in February? So here it is on the 3-day. Where are we going to go? We know that the gist of the market in the long term is still weakness. This near term, this daily time frame from the 5 to 3 to 2 day time frame, square or block, is still reflecting that it wants to go up in price. Do you think the market's going to buy it though? Do you think that the market's going to find this level attractive? Because generally we can. But I want to show you what levels will we become more comfortable in seeing block continue to go up, right? I'm not going to be tricked. Just because we saw the market on the last earnings go up in block the last time, we got some other areas that we need to be keen on. And this is the biggest area. So from $120 to $130, we can see earnings go all the way up there. Let price go all the way up here to 120. That's 12% move. Cool. We can even see it go all the way up to 130. That's 23% move. Cool. But from the long-term basis, if you're trying to hold this stock, if you're trying to particular time when to get into the market, that long-term price chart that I've shown you all is reflecting that it's not ready. Okay? It's not ready. So it all depends on what time you want to play this. Because actually, I am seeing the emphasis of the market in block trying to go up, right? At least from an hourly, maybe a daily basis, but I'm not massively bullish. Not at all. Okay. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and play the weakness into the market in block. I'm still looking for the price to go down, and I'm going to maintain the weakness until I see price trade above 130. Okay. If I see price in block trade above $130, then I know that the market is strong. I know that the buyers are controlling the space and that I need to switch sides. I need to switch my team from being a seller to being a buyer. Okay. So check this out. I got a couple areas of price target that I want to see the market in block come down towards. Again, let me zoom in. The first price target obviously is going to be where the buyers maintain price. So price comes back down here to like 94.50. I'm taking some profitability off the table, right? That gives me what, 11% right there. I'm prepared to do that. I'm not married to these plays. I'm not married to the stock. I'm married to making the money. So that would be my first price target, 94.50. My second one would be here around $84. Okay, 84. Now from the long term, I wouldn't even be surprised to see block continue to go lower. I don't think a lot of people anticipate that the market will continue to go lower, but all the way down to 80. I can see it coming back down to 80 into the market and block as well. But I'm not going to drop that on the chart. You guys can see it. My first price target is 94.50. My second one is around 84. Can we go exceedingly lower than that? Yeah, we can. Because the monthly chart is showing me that the overall market is extremely weak in block. Okay. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and let me know, what do you all think? Okay. So make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.